find a speck of dirt? Did you find a speck of dust? Come here. Ball on Jack's sweater. Also fun. Come here. Come here. You're not dead yet. Hi. Look how fast you're going. Hi.